It pisses me off that I have to do things bloody properly. Because if I don't, someone will pick a fault with whatever I do. As you can see, my bench is disgustingly filthy. I'm going to double that over because I can. If you've got a problem with it, don't watch the video. I'm going to put that on there. I'm not going to solder it. I'm just going to very methodically crimp the bloody thing down. I like living dangerously, and I don't know why I have to do these things properly. People are very, very easily sort of offended. What's wrong with you? I'm going to do the same with that one. I cut my finger yesterday. No, 2 days ago. And it's got infected and it's hurting. I woke up this morning, I couldn't bend the bloody thing. But I'm alright. I'm fine. Everything's fine. I've got a box. This is my box, not your box. My box. And in my box, I've got 2 connectors with crocodile clips that aren't going to handle anything, some wire which won't handle the power output, 3 kilowatt 3 kilowatt inverter, so it'll probably handle half that if I'm lucky. And this, oh, it's a 3.5 kilowatt, not 3 kilowatt, 3.5. That's a 500 watt increase. It's for that. This is my solar bank, which I'm using for solar, although I haven't got any other bits. I've just got this at the minute. The other bits are in the post, so I'm going to connect this to this and then we'll see what output we get from it. I've carefully wired this no good piece of shit. This is a very temporary fixture until my breakers and everything else turn up, but it's going to spark, I know it is. Oh my god, that one goes on there. I'm not running any amount of current on this. It's quite literally just to power it on to make sure everything works, and it does. It's got a temperature rating and also, oh, it's got a meter on it. Look, I mean, whether it's going to handle anything, I really don't know. Any current whatsoever. I know I can't run anything off it at the minute, apart from fans and maybe something very low current. So, yes, that says 233 volts, that says 228 volts, which is near enough correct. So I'm going to plug that in there, I'm going to turn it on, I'm going to turn that on, and wow, it actually works. 40 watts according to that. This system is going to be a very, in comparison, a very low current thing. Ideally what I want to do is run this room. I want to be able to run the aircon, which I know it will run, and have this completely as a solar room. I'm going to have to run extension leads, but you know, I think I can get the power to actually run this room off it. Obviously I've got to get the right connectors, and obviously I'm going to build this into something, maybe a wooden crate or something or other, and have all this in the wooden crate, and obviously outside. And in comparison to the stuff that I buy in the UK, I think I'll do a breakdown of what this actually cost me, because it wasn't as much as I anticipated. In fact, it was very, very cheap. Oh, satisfying.
Should you really be eating while you're doing that?
Yeah.